How to get and use Instagram Map feature. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get and use the new Instagram Map feature. So if you want to see where your friends are, discover places nearby, and share your location, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or the Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it to make sure your app is the latest version. If you don't see an update, you're good to go. Now, open your Instagram app. Go to your direct messages. That's the little paper plane icon at the top right. At the top of your messages, you'll see a new tab called Map. Tap on it. Here, you can see where your friends are if they're sharing their location. You can also explore nearby places and posts shared by others around you. To share your location, tap Next. Now choose who can see your location. You can pick close friends, friends you follow back, or just yourself. Once you pick, hit Share. Instagram will ask for permission to access your location. Tap Open Settings. Then tap App Permissions. Look for Location in the list. Tap Location and choose Allow only while using the app. Now go back. And that's it. You're now connected on the Instagram map and can see your friends' locations or share yours, just like Snapchat's map feature.